How to get paint out of your carpet. In this video we're addressing a common mishap that can happen during home improvement projects: paint spills on the carpet. If you're wondering how to get paint out of carpets, especially acrylic, gloss and dried paint, you're in the right place. Let's roll up our sleeves and tackle this together. Immediate action. The key to successful paint removal is swift action. If the paint is still wet, grab a clean cloth and blot the area gently. Avoid rubbing as it may spread the paint. Continue blotting until you've absorbed as much paint as possible. Remember, time is of the essence. Acrylic paint removal. Now for acrylic paint spills. Create a solution of warm water and a few drops of dish soap. Dampen a clean cloth in the soapy water and blot the stained area. Continue until the paint is lifted and then rinse with clean water. If the stain persists, you can also try a mixture of white vinegar and water. Just remember to rinse thoroughly afterward. Dried paint removal. If you're dealing with dried paint, don't panic. Start by gently scraping off the excess paint with a plastic scraper. Be careful not to damage the carpet fibers. Once you've removed as much as possible, tackle the remaining stain with rubbing alcohol. Dampen a cloth with rubbing alcohol and blot the area. The alcohol should help break down the paint. Rinse with water and pat dry. Gloss paint removal. Now, for gloss paint spills, we'll need a bit more firepower. Create a mixture of turpentine and water. Dampen a cloth in the solution and gently blot the affected area. The turpentine should help break down the paint. Remember to ventilate the area well when working with turpentine. Rinse thoroughly with clean water to remove any residue. And there you have it, a guide on how to get paint out of carpet, whether it's acrylic, dried, or gloss paint. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up, share with your fellow DIY enthusiasts, and subscribe for more practical solutions. Until next time, happy painting and cleaning.